And welcome to our first lesson this week on properties of shape. And today we're going to be looking at triangles. And the first thing I would like you to do for me today is look at these three triangles. Can you tell me what's the same and what's different about the triangles? Can you name each of these triangles and what do you know about it? So something you might have said about these triangles is that they may have been different colours, different size and different shapes, but something the same is that they all have three sides. Now the first triangle there, the green one, is called an isosceles triangle, and that has two sides of equal length. You can see that here. This side and this side are equal. Secondly, we've got an equilateral triangle which has all three sides which are of equal length. And finally is scalene, and these have zero sides of equal length. And for your second question, I would like to write the letter down of the isosceles triangles that you can see on the screen here. Have a go in your book at home, pause the video, and then I'll tell you what the answer is. Okay, let's have a look at each of these triangles. So if you remember from the previous slide, an isosceles triangle has two equal sides, just two. Let's take A first. So you have a look at A. We've got this side and this side, which are equal, but the third side here is not. So A would be an isosceles triangle. If we have a look at B, if we look at the lengths, you've got that one there. This one is a bit longer, and this one here does not match either. So I'll say B is actually a scalene triangle, so that's not an isosceles. Let's have a look at C. C, I would say, is an equilateral triangle. Looking at all three sides are the same, so that is not an isosceles triangle. So D, so it's got one long side here at the base, then two equal sides here. So D is an isosceles triangle. So if you put A and D, you are correct. And for your next question, you need to sort the triangles into the table. Look very closely at the triangles. Think about what it said on the first slide about the properties of each triangle and what makes an equilateral special, an isosceles special, and a scalene special. You can draw a table out in your books and then write the letter to where the triangle would go. Okay, so I've had a look at triangles. I would say A, let's have a look. It's got two equal sides, very similar to some of the triangles we saw in the last one. So A is an isosceles triangle. Have a look at B. It's got three sides, but I would say they're all of different lengths. So I would say that B is a scalene triangle. Finally, next we are going to be looking at C here. So C is it's got a right angle triangle, but all three sides are not the same. So it's also a scalene triangle. There. And next we have D here, and D has all sides are equal, so that would be an equilateral triangle. Next we're on to our first reasoning question, and this says Holly is designing a logo for a car park. You can see there she's gone Toy World and says £5 all day, £10 all day, and free. Holly says the logo includes no scalene triangles. Is she correct? Explain your answer. Have a go in your book, write down what you think, and make sure you explain why you think yes or no. Okay, so let's have a look at these triangles here. So we've got three triangles here. We've got the one that is over here with this car. We've got this one here. And we've got this one over here. Now, Holly said that there are no scalene triangles. So you need to remember a scalene triangle is a triangle that has no equal sides. So let's have a look. Any of these triangles here have no equal sides. Now, let's try here pointing down, looking at the red car here. I'll say that one there are equal. So there's only got two equal sides, which means it's actually an isosceles triangle. Let's see about the one in the middle here with the bus. It's got three equal sides, so that would be an equilateral triangle. Finally, the one with the bike. So it's got one very long side here, but then this side and this side are equal, which means it's an isosceles triangle as well. So Holly is actually correct that her logo does not include a scalene triangle because it contains an equilateral triangle here and two isosceles triangles there. And for your final question today, which triangle here is the odd one out and why. So have a look at A, B, C, and D. Work out which one is one out using that knowledge now you've got of each triangle to work out which one is the odd one out. Have a go, and then I'll explain to you which one is the correct one, which one is the odd one out. So let's have a look at A first here. So A, having a look at it, has 3 equal sides. And if it's got 3 equal sides, then it is an equilateral triangle. So we've got A here. Let's see if it matches or doesn't match to B here. So B has got 3 sides that are equal. It's just slightly smaller and rotated. So B would also be an equilateral triangle. Let's have a look at D. D first. And D is it's been rotated again. It's larger, but it also has 3 equal sides. That would also be an equilateral triangle. Let's put that one there. And just because we're mathematicians, let's just double check that C is the odd one out. So C here has 1 short side here and 2 equal long sides there. So C would be the odd one out because it's an isosceles triangle. Now is your time to move on to a challenge sheet of your choice. If you have any questions, please do email your class teacher. And of course, always have a great day.